Welcome to SecurityCameraKing.com. The ACRS-Finger007-1000 Fingerprint Standalone Access Control Proximity Reader has fingerprint, keypin, keypad, and proximity card access all in one control unit. This reader can be programmed to require a user to provide either a key code and card scan, key code and fingerprint, or fingerprint and card scan. It has an LCD screen that displays the time, date, and card number when scanned. This reader has 4 inputs and 2 outputs, so wiring up your door sensor, exit button, door lock, and alarm are fairly easy. For more information on access control hardware and software, just go to our website at SecurityCameraKing.com.